Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to curve text in Canva. Firstly, make sure you have already logged into your Canva account. You will land to the home page. Now you can select any of these options. Here I will be selecting this one, create blank. Now at the left corner, you can find different options. Head towards the option of text, click on it. Now select any of these options, add a heading, add a subheading, or add a title bit of body text. Here I will be selecting add a subheading. Now you can just type in the text that you want to curve. Here I have wrote creating curved text using Canva. After you type in the text, at the top you can see this option of effects, click on it. Now at the left you can see this option, just scroll down. Under the shape you can find this option of curve, click on it. You can see that my text has been converted into the curve shape. Also, you can customize the curve angle. Just scroll down. You will see this icon from where you can increase and decrease the angle of the curve. In this way, you can just curve the text according to your choice. So this is how you can curve text in Canva. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.